Hi, my name is Jose Fernandez. In this video, I would like to show you how to give the access to allow the users groups to connect via RDP. So the first thing is connect the admin, okay, to the domain. Okay, here is to add for example, the groups. I got two groups, okay, general 1 and general 2, okay. Perfect. And next, if I want to add, for example, user free is is inside the general 2, not in general 1. So user free is allowed to access, but not, for example, user 4. User 4 is in general 2, okay, but he doesn't have any access. So I will show you everything in the next videos, okay. So at the moment it's okay. So perfect, all done, and I see you in my next video. Okay, see you later.